The day's itinerary, we are going to craft villages. These are villages that the people over there manufacture or produce various crafts. One of them is the kente. Kente is the richest cloth you can ever get in Ghana. It's being worn not on any other day but on special occasions because it's very expensive by Ghanaian standard. From there, now when we go there, some of you are going to try your hands in weaving. The guys are going to just teach you. And then from there we go to Ntonso. Ntonso is a place where we do stamping of Edinkra symbols in a piece of cloth. Over there, the stamping has been catered for or will be catered for by Brother Bumani, but the piece of cloth belongs to you. Whatever cloth that you choose to stamp, that one you pay for it. But for going through the process and everything, the stamping, that one will be taken care of. But the piece of cloth belongs to somebody that the person is going to sell it to you. I think it's about 30 cedis. Then when you stamp whatever symbol, when you go home, you can paste it in your office, in your room, whatever. Yeah. And every symbol has a meaning. It's like the Nubia symbols in Egypt. Every symbol has a meaning. So we're going to do that. Yeah.
Alright, they were talking, I continue.
Okay. Then after that, we're going to stop at a craft center, craft village area. That place also they have a wooden craftsman there who carve various objects out of a piece of wood. After that, then we'll drive also to another place where we're going to have a lunch, and that is the cultural center. We'll take you to a restaurant and then you can order your own food. We give them the order and then we'll be going around to tour the place. By the time we come back, the food will be ready. Then you can have them. From there, we'll drive past the largest open air market in Africa. And then you see it yourself. And then you can take pictures as well whilst in the bus. And then from there also we will just drive straight to the hotel. So this is what we're going to do for the day.
That's the largest market in all of Africa?
Yes, largest open air market. Yeah, open air market.
We can buy stuff, right?
Yes. Now all these places are meant for you to spend all your money in your accounts. So I'm a democratic person. If you want to wash away all the money in your account, please just see me. I'll take you to the ATM so that you can buy more stuff. Thank you.
Go home broke.
Oh.